Hey guys, Christian here from Grandstand Events. Are you missing going to your favourite event or exhibition? Or like me, hanging out with like-minded people? Well, let me tell you, the events and exhibition industry is ready to do business. Exhibitions can operate safely using COVIDSafe operating plans in controlled environments. Unlike shopping centres, exhibitions can completely control their environment with strict social distancing enforced, world-class cleaning protocols, and the ability to track and trace anyone who attends. And this is because of mandatory registration. Exhibitor and attendee safety is our foremost priority. Our industry employs 229,000 people directly, hundreds of thousands more indirectly, and we pay $11.1 billion in wages, and that contributes $35.7 billion to our economy for 2019 alone. The doors have been closed for too long, and we are desperate to get them opened again. As an industry, we are Expo ready. So why not book that space or confirm your attendance at an event? We're looking forward to seeing you soon. Thanks guys.